I'm going to show you how to connect and control this Shelly device with the application. You can start the application and plug this Shelly device into the outlet. Then go. Right now there's one demo device which is not like actual physical device, but it's something that you can play around with. But we want to connect this physical device. There are three ways to connect the device. If that would already be connected to my Wi-Fi and I would know its IP address, I could just enter the IP address manually, or I could search it from the network. Or right now, when it's not yet connected to my Wi-Fi, I will do that via Bluetooth. And it's the plug. The other one is this one, which is like junction box connectable device. So I'll select this, and now it's scanning. But now we got connected into the Wi-Fi. There are a couple of options that we will leave as defaults. The first one is that after the installation, it will disable the Bluetooth in this device, which is a good security practice. Another good security practice is to disable the Wi-Fi AP, which is also embedded in this device. We don't need to use that. And the third option is to remove other scripts. If there were like already some scripts within this device, it could interfere with our script that the application is actually loading there. And now we're there. We select appropriate icon for this device. Let's just use normal plug because it is a plug, and then test plug. Don't need to put any description there. The market is Finland. Well, that's like the electricity market that will be controlling this device. We save the device, and now it's here. And what we can now do is that we can click that, and then we see here that's the today's electricity price, and right now it's very cheap, but in the afternoon it will be much more expensive. But we can just test this, that we put it manually on or manually off. Then if we want it to be market controlled, we can, for today, we can for instance select that, okay, let's run it only during the 18 cheapest hours and activate. And now it's running because the noon time, which is the small red arrow there, it is within the 18 cheapest hours. Then other option is to set the price limit. For instance, I want to run it below 3 cents per kilowatt hour. Activate. Yes, it stays on as it should be, staying on. But then if I, for instance, I would have like a battery system at home that I want to discharge when it's more expensive than 3 cents per kilowatt hour, I can just turn this around and activate, and now it is minimum of 3 cents per kilowatt hours when this is activated. Then here's the program items, which will enable you to select the period of time. For instance, let's say that between 9 and 3 p.m. I want to run it during the 4 cheapest hours, and I save that. And for instance, if I want then in the evening to be running from 6 p.m. till midnight. Run only if it's below 10 cents. And we save it and then activate this. It's now running at noon time because that is one of the 4 cheapest hour during 9 and 3 p.m. and then it will be running from 8 p.m. till midnight, because then the price will be below 10 cents per kilowatt hour.